क्या आप भी वर्नियर कैलिपर सही से पढ़ नहीं पाते?
Today I will teach you step by step from absolute zero, एकदम आसान तरीके से. This is a vernier caliper thorium. We use it to find the exact dimension of any part. First, we check the zero. When both jaws are completely closed shut, the main scale and the vernier scale zero, now we will measure the outer diameter of this part. Gently place the part between the jaws. First, read the main scale. Where the zero of the vernier scale has reached antitio, that is your main reading. Now look at the vernier scale couplet. Which line is matching perfectly with the main scale? Note the value of that line. Final measurement equals main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. यही आपकी exact dimension है. Similarly, you can use the upper jaws for inner diameter and use the back depth rod to measure depth.
बस इस तरह आप वर्नियर कैलिपर से किसी भी पार्ट का एक्यूरेट मेजरमेंट ले सकते हैं. प्रैक्टिस करें, मेंग और एक्सपर्ट बने.